guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. In this video, I have a surprise that showed up from ThermoWeb and I'm excited to unbox it with you. So let's get started. Yay! Alright, so I got this box that showed up from ThermoWeb and I want to share it with you. I don't know what's in it, so let's open it up and see what we've got. Alright, so ThermoWeb is the company that makes Heat and Bond and Heat and Bond Light. These are fusible webs that you use mostly in quilting, though I know you can use them for other things. So we do use their products. I purchased Heat and Bond Light and use it here in the studios. But as if you've been watching my channel, you know we're trying to expand into other mediums and other ways of being creative that also tie in to quilting, but will let me expand what I want to do, which is play with art supplies. I love playing with supplies and craft supplies. So we reached out to ThermoWeb and said I would be interested in making some cards and some custom paper crafts. I don't know if you may or may not know this, even though I've been in the quilting industry for 20-some years. My background is in industrial design. My first job out of college was working for a craft company, designing every kind of craft you can imagine, designing die cuts for paper boxes that you'd get like a die cut shape and you fold it up. I would design the dies. And then in 2005, C&T Publishing approached me and asked if I would write a book on pop-up paper crafts. So we have a book out there called Pop-Up Paper Structures. It's available, I think, as an ebook on Amazon. It may also be a regular book, I'm not sure, because it's been a very long time and I still get a royalty check, so I know they're still selling the books. Yay! So I don't know about you, but I've been buying birthday cards and anniversary cards and you name it, and they are getting so expensive. I mean, they're like $5 to $8 for a card. So if cards are gonna get that expensive, I'm crafty. I have the means, I have the supplies, I don't have the time, but we will make the time. So why not design some cards that I can give to my family and friends? And it's more personal because I'm making it. But, I mean, for $8 for a card to throw away, that seems crazy. Or if I make the card, they might actually keep it. So we approached ThermoWeb and we showed them our little character designs from these Block of the Month that we've been doing every month for the last 11 months. If you're interested in the Block of the Month, that's over on our website. You can go under Patterns. All of these blocks are available. The most recent two are always free. And then as we put up a new block, that block goes to $5. So we want to take these characters and we want to put them into cards and crafts and paper because it's like the artwork is done. So let's play with it and do some other stuff with it. Oh, I almost forgot Super Grad. All right, so I think that is what they sent me. I think this box is full of crafty stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's in it. And I hope you go along with me on this journey because I don't know how to use most of this stuff. I'm going to be learning on the fly and I'm going to share with you my experiences. So, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. All right. It is a 2-page packing list. There's a lot of stuff in this box. So what do we got? ThermoWeb Sticky Strip Runner. It's double-sided adhesive strip. This is the best. These guys, they're like double-sided tape, but without the thickness. It's just the adhesive. And it looks like we've got 3 of those. And I know when you're doing a project, you can blow through these. So those will definitely help. Ooh, what is this? An adhesive pen. Oh, to put the decal foil down. Awesome. So this is a pen full of glue, and like you can see here in the picture, you write the word happy, then you're gonna lay the foil on, and I assume you burnish it, and anywhere there's adhesive, it'll stick, and then you can peel the foil off. Oh, very, very cool. Extra tip, I have not tried this. This is very exciting. All right, oh, look at that deco foil. Oh, how pretty is that? For fabric and paper, oh, you can use this on fabric. Oh, awesome. Okay, so there's that one, which is a, what is a color? Does it give me a color? Rainbow. Rainbow, that's really pretty. And then they sent me 5 transfer sheets. Silver. Silver. Oh, I love silver. They must have known. Like if you were, oh, here's a gold. So we've got silver and gold. But if I were to pick, I always end up going silver over gold. So we've got 3 foils in the adhesive pen, 3 foil rulers. What do we got here? Dots. Oh, single clear adhesive dots. These are little tiny things for when you do detail and you just want it to stick and you don't want to wait for glue to dry. That is super handy. Ultra Bond adhesive dried clear. Looks like we have, oh, these, so this is like a little needle point. That one looks like it might have popped open. We'll have to check that. This one also has a needle point. So I think it's just the profile. One is a bottle, these 2 are pens. These would be more portable to take with me, you know, because I don't know about you, but I never leave without some crafts to do. Ooh, what are these? Flock transfer sheets. Oh, very cool. I do have a Cricut. I also have an AccuQuilt cutter. So I will probably be using the Cricut for a lot of this, but oh, look at those flocks. So we've got teal and we've got emerald green, ruby red, blue sky, pink carnation, and Tucson gold. Ooh, very, very pretty. Flocking means it has like a furry texture, which if we're doing these little characters I was talking about, oh, you need to have fur for them. So these were the small petite glue dots. These are the medium glue dots. These are about 3/8 of an inch, and these look like they are about 1/4 of an inch. So glue dots, easy cut adhesive sheets. Oh, very cool. So I can just die cut my adhesive with the paper. Oh, so you put the paper on, you have adhesive, you die cut it, you peel off the thing, and you have a custom sticker. Ooh, oh, that'll be fun. Oh, and then we got a ton of sheets. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, they were so generous to us. Okay, so these are foam adhesives. So foam adhesives, I don't know if you can see here, they have a thickness to them. So that way when you stick it down, your piece is raised up. So it can create like a texture, depth. You can create depth. You could have like several pieces, and the more you put it out, the more depth it would have. Ooh, big flocking sheets. So we've got black velvet and purple punch and blue diamond, green envy, orange glow. Oh, these are so yummy. These are definitely my colors. Think pink, probably my favorite. Oh, sunshine yellow. And white lattice. Oh my goodness. These are going to be super fun. I don't even know which one I would start with. Oh my goodness. So my goal is to shoot a couple videos creating these out of this and paper products and see where we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of all of these yummy goodies from ThermoWeb. Thank you very much for sending them to us. And I will keep you guys in the loop as I get this project done. Super inspired to get started. So on all of these blocks, we do have SVG files available if you happen to be a Silhouette or Cricut owner or any kind of cutter that'll take an SVG file. So when I do these down into a card, I will also be having those available for sale as well. So again, thank you so much, ThermoWeb. Very generous. Cannot wait to start playing. And I thank all of you guys for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, do you mess with paper and fabric, or what is your favorite medium to work with? So thanks for watching.